Is Professor M. S. Rao. I feed pigeons and birds when I was in Jodhpur. I am an Air Force veteran. I feed stray dogs daily, and I sometimes I feed pigeons, then again birds. This practice I cultivated when I was in India Air Force. Do whatever is the things in a small way. I'm a surveyor of Prince to here, for the last 5 years I am having health challenges. My right posture body was totally paralyzed. Gradually I am recovering. I feed stray dogs every day, and Sunday some non-veg stuff I will give to stray dogs every Sunday. And rest of the days daily I feed stray dogs some biscuits. What I do whatever is possible within your limitations. No excuses in this world. Make a difference. I do couple of things. Main thing is I visit temples regularly. I visit libraries regularly. I'm a college dropout. At the age of 18, I joined the Indian Air Force. I acquired 7 qualifications for private. These are all the things I have done in life. I was born into a toxic family and grew up in a toxic environment. My life is full of struggles and sufferings. Let go and move on. So I believe in acquiring my knowledge and sharing my knowledge. I was a professor and I ended my Ph.D. in the year 2011. All these qualifications I earned through private education, not through regular education. You might think that I acquired my qualifications from Harvard, Kellogg's, something like that, but the fact is that I was a college dropout and acquired all these qualifications through private education. So don't invent excuses. Make a difference, add value and impact positively across the world. So friends, if you like this video, consider subscribing and sharing with your networks with gratitude.